All right, so this question says America lives 20 miles from work. So if she drives to work at 50 miles per hour, how fast will she need to drive home if she wants to average 60 miles per hour for the whole trip, the whole round trip, there and back? So we need to express our answer to the nearest whole number. All right, so breaking this down, what even is average speed? Well, your mean speed is going to be just simply the total distance that you traveled divided by your total time, right? Because if your average speed is 60 miles per hour, right? That means you can go a total distance of 60 miles in a total time of 1 hour, right? Okay, so if Marika wants to average 60 miles per hour for the whole trip, well then how long is she taking during that trip, right? Because, well, 60 miles per hour, well, Marika goes 20 minutes to work and 20 minutes back. She travels 40 miles. And 60 miles per hour is equal to 60 miles per 60 minutes. And 60 miles per 60 minutes, well, that's just equal to 1 mile every minute, right? So at the pace that she wants to go at, an average of 60 miles per hour, she wants to go 1 mile per every minute, which means that for her 40 miles there and back, she has to spend 40 minutes on that trip, all right? So, well, to go there already, how much time is she taking? Well, for this, let's remember our formula, distance equals speed times time, and that intuitively makes sense, right? Like if you're going at the speed of 30 miles per hour for a time of 2 hours, your distance is going to be 30 times 2, which is 60 miles. What that means is we can rearrange this to get time equals distance over speed. So to figure out the time it took Marika to go there, we just have to take the distance it took to go there, which is 20 miles, divided by the speed, which is 50 miles per hour. And so this will just become 2/5 hours, right? So that means it took 2/5 of an hour to go there. And so how long is that? Well, 2/5 of an hour, that's just equal to 60 minutes times 2/5, which is equal to 24. So it took 24 minutes to go there. And so remember, she can't take more than 40 minutes. She has to take exactly 40 minutes to average 60 miles per hour. So if it took her 24 minutes to go there, well, that means that she has 40 minus 24, which is 16 minutes left to spend on the way back. So on the way back, she also has to travel 20 miles. And so on the way back, she's going to have to go those, remember, our mean speed on the way back is our total distance of 20 miles on the way back per the 16 minutes she has left remaining. So if it's 20 miles per 16 minutes, and we have to express this as miles per hour, well, we just have to convert essentially our minutes to hours, right? So we're going to multiply this the conversion factor of 60 minutes per every hour. And so, well, we get 20 over 16 first off. We can simplify until 5/4. And then 60 over 4 is equal to 15. So this ends up being 5 times 15, which is 75 miles per hour, because these minute units cancel out. So she ends up traveling at a pace of 75 miles per hour on the way back to make that goal of 60 miles per hour average total.